Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to connect Pixel to Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Shopify and log into Shopify using your user credentials. Now, after you logged into Shopify, you will see the Shopify's dashboard where you'll have to simply click on Apps icon at the left corner of your screen. Now, when you click on Apps, it is going to show you this search bar where you'll have to click on All Recommended Apps button and click on Shopify App Store on this page. Now, this is going to take you to Shopify's App Store where you'll have to go to the search bar, type in Pixel, hit enter, and it is going to show you this page. So here we are going to open Facebook Pixel Conversion API. As you can see, you can boost your e-commerce conversion tracking with Facebook Pixel. You have one-click Facebook Pixel through which you can add Facebook Pixel to your store in one click. Now, click on install button here. It is going to take you to your Shopify's dashboard where you will have to just click on install button appearing. Click on this install icon and it is quickly going to install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify's store. As you can see, I have successfully added Facebook Pixel on my Shopify store. Now, you can add a payment method on this page. You can simply click on apps and you will see that Facebook Pixel Conversion API has been installed on your Shopify. So that's how you connect Pixel to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.